Assalamu alaikum. Now we have to do question number 2, and it is related to, I have to read for you. On book, page number 231, it is written that a pie chart is drawn as you have to find which of the 4 ice cream flavors, chocolate, jam, mango, and vanilla, the students in a class prefer. Okay. So first of all, we comes to the question. I show you a diagram so it becomes easier for you to understand what I am talking. Okay. Now, this pie chart is given. This brown portion shows the students who prefer chocolate ice cream. This orange, the student who prefer vanilla. This 50-degree portion shows mango ice cream, and this purple shows the students who prefer jam. Okay. So first we have to move towards the first question. So when we have to do the solution according to the first question, they are saying in the first part, they are saying that now we have to come to the first part. It is saying if 1/4 of the class prefer jam ice cream, state the angle of sector. Okay. As you know that, look at this diagram, the complete circle is given. You know that what is the value of the complete circle? Yes. What is the value of complete circle? It is equal to 360 degree. And they are saying how many students prefer jam ice cream? 1/4. 1/4 means we have to divide this 360 by 4. So what will be your answer? Your answer is 90 degree. So this means that students who prefer jam ice cream, this one is the first part. And according to this part, students who prefer jam ice cream is 90 degree. Is it clear? Okay. Now we comes to the second part. And according to the second part, it is given, find the angle of sector that represent the number of students who prefer vanilla. Okay. Now again, we comes to the diagram. Look here. Okay. Comes to the diagram. This one is a diagram. The student who prefer chocolate ice cream are 120 degree. Okay. And the student who prefer mango are 50 degree. Jam, you have recently find out it is of 90 degree. And now you have to find the vanilla. As you know that the complete circle is of 360. So you have to add chocolate, jam, and mango. And then you have to spread from the complete circle. You will get the value of vanilla. Is it clear? So we comes to the question. Move towards the question. Okay. So according to the question, we have to solve the second part, that is number of students who prefer vanilla. So as you know, the complete circle is of how many degree? 360 degree. Okay. And then you have to subtract, you have to spread by, first you have to add the remaining 3, that is 120 for chocolate. Then how many degree are given for mango? 50 degree. And recently you find the preference of the student who love to eat jam ice cream, 90. So you have to write it here, 90 degree. Clear? Now you have to add all these 3. So yes, when you have to add all these 3, all these are equal to, yes, 260 degree. 260 degree. And now you have to spread it from 360, so it is equal to 100 degree. So students who love to eat vanilla ice cream are 100 degree. Now we move towards the third part. They are given, express the number of students who prefer vanilla as percentage of total number of students in the class. You have to find the percentage. So whenever you have to find the percentage, you have to write required percentage. Okay. So in the first question, they gave you the student who prefer vanilla. So who prefer vanilla, how many degrees are given for vanilla? 100. And by the total students. So for total, in case of pie chart, whenever the word total is used, how many degrees came in your mind? 360. And obviously we are finding a percentage, so we have to multiply it by 100%. Okay. So after solving, it is equal to 27.7%. It is equal to 27.7%. Clear? So again, in the third part, we have to find the percentage of students who like vanilla ice cream as compared to the total number of students. So for vanilla, we know, as we have to find out in second part, it is equal to 100. So we have to divide it by the total. And in case of pie chart, whenever the word total is used, you have to use 360 multiplied by 100%. So answer is 27.7%. Now we comes to the fourth part. And this part is very much important, because usually students commit mistake by solving this part. Okay, they're saying if 5 students prefer mango ice cream, find the total number of students in the class. Always remember, whenever the value is given, as in this case, they have given you the value of 5. Which value they give you? They give you 5. So you have to multiply this 5. Okay, and before multiplying, here you have to write. Okay, how you have to write? First, they are saying total. Whenever the word total is used, you have to write 360, and you have to divide this 360 with the degree given for the student who like mango ice cream. So how many degrees are given? 50. So you have to divide 360 by 50, and then you have to multiply it by 5. Okay, and in this way, you have to find the total number of students in the class. Okay, total students in the class. So how you have to find total students in the class? You have to find by dividing 360 divided by 50, and you have to multiply it by 5. Okay, and how many students are there in the class? 36 students. How many total students in the class? There are 36. Okay, the same, this part is given in practice now and word example. So next we have to solve this. I think so this question number 2 is clear to all of you. So this is all for today. Allah Hafiz.